As a chef, Ben's original sauces are an absolute store cupboard essential. I use them in all sorts of recipes. They're quick and easy, they're ambient. I even use them cold and sometimes in dips and sauces for sharing platters and starters. I'm going to show you two amazing recipes today using Ben's original Tikka Masala. Okay, I'm going to cut some onion. Then move on to some sweet potato. It's a nice even sized chunks so they cook evenly. Take your time, there's no rush. Get them nice and even and get them in your bowl. These down the middle and into nice sized chunks. Just going to fry them off in a little bit of oil, just about 25 mils. So we've got some red onion going in, sweet potato, and finally we got our carrot. Just going to give them a nice stir around. Just for a few minutes. In with the stock. In with the masala. We're just going to simmer that for about 20 minutes. There we go. In a separate pan, we're going to cook some Ben's original long grain rice. So now the vegetables are nice and tender. I'm going to add some spinach that's been washed and some chopped coriander. And all you want to see, as soon as that spinach has wilted, it's ready. It just takes seconds. And that's ready. We have our Ben's original long grain rice, our wonderful potato, sweet potato, spinach curry. So I'm going to marinate my lamb with some tikka sauce, and if you can, ideally you do that the day before or an overnight or the morning before you're going to have it. Put it in the fridge and let that marinate. Get them flavors into that lovely lamb. I'm going to make the tzatziki now. I'm going to crush some garlic into the yogurt. I'm going to put in my cucumber in, my fresh mint, just a little bit of salt and pepper. Give that a nice mix. This is going to go wonderful with the grilled lamb. It's a gorgeous, fresh, vibrant side dish. So now I'm going to thread my lamb onto the skewers with some onion and peppers, like so. Get some nice pieces of lamb on there in that lovely marinade. I like to put like sort of a couple of bits of veg first and then the lamb, and just alternative that way. You can also do it, each kebab slightly different, in different sort of how you layer it, just so everything looks slightly different. The hero of this is obviously the lamb in the tikka sauce. So we need to make sure that's got a nice generous amount on there. So a little tip if you're using bamboo skewers is, before they go in the oven, if you give them a soak in cold water, that will stop them from burning. There's two good ones now. They look very colourful. There's our lovely 4 kebabs done up. And now they go into a preheated oven at 180 for 15 to 20 minutes until the lamb's nicely cooked. You can cook it for a little bit less if you like it a bit more pink. So lamb's ready. I'll just get that out of the oven. I'm going to assemble the kebabs now. 2 nice warm naan breads. Top that with some nice salad of shredded lettuce, carrot, tomato, like so. And then carefully Get your lamb and your vegetables on top. And finish it with a little bit of your tzatziki.
And there you have it, 5 ways with Ben's original tikka masala sauce. Visit the website for all the recipes.